check out this air duster. This is more than an air duster. I mean, it's sawdust duster. It's just it is powerful. So it fits perfectly in your hand. It's a great size. It's actually small and lightweight. It charges with USB-C, powers on, and then you have the trigger on the front. So you hold it down and it like almost pushes itself back. Wow, that's amazing. It's got a blue light inside when it's going, so you can kind of see the dust that you're blowing off. It's got 2 power modes, high and low, and you just press the power button to switch between those 2 when it's going. So you have the air that sucks in from this spot right here. It's a brushless motor and has a 2500 milliamp hour battery. So you can twist off that nozzle, and it comes with a bunch of different nozzles here. So if you wanted to get a little bit more focused right there, or you have like a tube one, and like a bigger tube one as well. So it depends on how you want to focus the air in. But I love the attachments. They're so easy to pop on and off, and they just all work together. And it's just a really, really fascinating design. And yeah, the X3 Mini, this thing is amazing. It's got coordinates on it too, which is kind of cool. And it's very, very powerful. It can blow even your leaves on the ground. It's amazing. If you're looking for an air duster, this is a great one. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.